Welcome to the last and final tutorial, tutorial number 16. In this tutorial, we are going to generate a spice list for a simple half-wave rectifier. The spice list can be generated by using pressing this icon, and this once open the spice list, you can save it in the with the dot extension with the .car extension. And once the net spice list is generated, no need to draw the circuit diagram. You can open the .car file. It will automatically generate the circuit diagram. No need to draw the circuit diagram. Currently CLO to the load output. Similar this, you can view the half-wave rectified output. So once spice netlist generated, no need to draw the circuit diagram. If you open the .car file, automatically